Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, you're probably staring at that frustrating error code 11 on your HTP Tankless water heater, and you're ready to get it fixed. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through this step by step. This error typically means there's an issue with the ignition system, like a problem with the gas supply or the igniter itself. It might seem intimidating, but with a few simple checks, you could have hot water flowing again in no time. First things first, safety is key. Before you start, make sure to turn off the power supply to the unit at the circuit breaker and shut off the gas valve. This prevents any accidents. Trust me, it's not worth the risk. Once that's done, let's dive into the troubleshooting. Step 1. Check your gas supply. Ensure the gas line is fully open and that there's no blockage. Sometimes, a simple valve that's not fully turned on can cause this error. If everything looks good there, move to step 2. Inspect the igniter. Over time, it can get dirty or worn out. Carefully remove the access panel, refer to your user manual for exact instructions, and use a soft brush or compressed air to clean the igniter electrode. Make sure it's dry and free of debris. Next, in step 3, reset the unit. Turn the power back on, wait a few minutes, and see if the error clears. If not, check for any venting issues, as poor ventilation can trigger this code. Ensure the exhaust vent is clear of obstructions like leaves or nests. If you've gone through these steps and the error persists, it might be time to call in a professional technician. They can diagnose deeper issues, like faulty sensors or wiring problems. There you have it. That's how you tackle error code 11 on your HTP Tankless water heater. I hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Word count: 385.